How to use sound mode in MIOPS RemotePlus. First, mount your camera onto your tripod. Then, mount your flash onto another tripod and connect your MIOPS RemotePlus to your flash by using the flash connection cable. After that, power your device on. Now, power your camera on and set for long exposure. Then, power your flash on. Next, open the MIOPS mobile app. Finally, connect your device and choose the sound mode from the menu. Then, make the configuration of the sound mode. The sensitivity parameter determines the sensitivity level of your device. You can move the threshold line down to increase the sensitivity and up to decrease the sensitivity. The higher the value you set, the more sensitive it will be. On the screen, you can see the sound changes detected by the device with gray and orange bars. The delay parameter defines the duration between the detection of sound and the triggering of the camera. You can define the delay anywhere from 0 up to 999 milliseconds. By changing the mode parameter between continuous shot and single shot, you can define whether it will detect the first sound only or every sound until it is stopped. You can save your setting for your next shootings and use them whenever you want. You can also schedule your sound setup for a specific time. After setting the desired parameters, place your device as close as possible to the sound source. Turn the light off, press the shutter button of your camera to start long exposure, and then press the start button. Your device will start detecting sound changes and trigger your flash at the right time to take great photos. You can see the details on the status screen. And that's it. It's so easy.